We are testing Expert Goggles prototype. In this study, you can record your camera, audio, or screen, but which is optional so that you can skip. You can enter into our study by clicking continue and then yes. In the next section, you can give your prolific ID or institutional ID. After that, we'll ask you some demographic questions such as where you're from or how frequently you see different kinds of visualization. In the next section, we'll take two tests. The first one is mini VLAT test, where we will use this test to know your expertise on visualization. And the next one is pre-VLAT test, and where you can actually zoom the images by clicking on the image, and those images are from our tools. The next section is expert goggles prototype, where you can actually see different kinds of visualization and guidance prompt. Try to learn all the prompts to answer all the questions that will give you, and you can actually give those answer by clicking different parts of the visualization, and you can actually lively interact with this chart. You can actually sequentially go through level 1 module to level 4 module. Try to note down which module actually help you the most. You can actually go backward by clicking three dot sign. After experience our tools, you will enter a post isomorphic VLAT question where you will justify how much improvement you have, and then we'll give you some questions from NASA TLX so that we can understand your experience by using our tools. Thanks for participating in our tools.